everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Baby back pork ribs. Usually we see it on the barbecue or in the oven or in the deep fryer, but today is going to be completely different. Today we're making a stew with it, and I'm gonna cook it with the white kidney beans. So I'm gonna begin slicing the onion, and I have here apple, and of course they were washed, and you don't have to worry about the skin because it will disappear. Fresh garlic, rough chop. Voila. Now stove on the medium high. Olive oil. And we're gonna put everything in. Apple, onion, garlic, salt and pepper. And we're going to saute everything first. Onion, garlic, and the apple nicely done. All ribs go in, and let's cook it a little bit with the onion and the apple. We're gonna add the vegetable broth. Strained tomato or tomato puree, and some cinnamon stick and bay leaf. Mix it very well and let it simmer 30 to 35 minutes before I add the sweet potato and the white kidney beans. In the meantime, I'm gonna dice the sweet potatoes. So medium dice will do. It's been simmering for 30 minutes. And it was my bad. I supposed to use the stew pot, but I took a chance and I used the saucepan. So it's a little bit small for what I'm making, but I will deal with it. Sweet potatoes in, and the white kidney beans. Let's mix it gentle. Nice. Now cover it and let it simmer for another half an hour or till the meat fall off the bone. Look at this. Beautiful. Our stew ready to go. Now turn off, cover it, and let it rest for half an hour to tenderize the meat. Now I don't know if I'm patient enough to wait half an hour, but I'll try my best. And yes, I did wait 30 minutes, and I'm gonna serve it on a bed of rice. So first, yum, looks so good. And I'm gonna put the ribs. Look at that, fall off the bone. I'm supposed to use a spoon. Hot, hot. Wow, it melts in your mouth, savory flavor. So pork rib stew, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.